Photographs at the time of the crash. One of the single most important things that you can do or anybody on the scene can do. Hi, I'm Greg Stokes, an attorney in Atlanta, Georgia, and we handle primarily serious personal injury cases. You know, we had a case that was 2 hours outside of Atlanta. It sounded bizarre. A mother and child were walking on the side of the road. They were to the extreme right. Our car came around the curve, crossed the center line, hit them, threw them 50 feet into the pine trees. They were life-flighted to the hospital, and luckily they were still alive. Now, in a case like that, you would never expect liability to be an issue. The police were on the scene. They investigated the case. This diagram that they drew on the police report clearly indicated that the path of travel of the vehicle crossed the center line, hit the pedestrians, and threw them into the pine tree. And yet, this case resulted in us having to file suit, and the insurance company disputed liability. Well, as I said, photographs taken early on are extremely important. Let me show you this photograph. This was taken by the mother of the injured pedestrian. And it shows skid marks clearly going across the center line and coming straight across the road. Even though this case was investigated by the State Patrol and they took photographs, their photographs did not come out. They were blurry. You couldn't even make out what they were. But the mother had the good sense the next day to come out to the scene and take this photograph. And the one thing the defense could never do is get around the problem of the skid marks shown in this photograph coming straight across the road. Went to mediation, got the case settled. This photograph made the difference. If you or anyone in your family or your friends have questions, we have the answers. My name is Greg Stokes. Call me anytime. Call me at 1-800-700-5050. Thanks for listening.